Working on a planishing slapper. I'm gonna start on this. This will be part of the handle. Pretty good and polished there. I think that'll be good enough for what we need. Here's going to be the slapper itself, probably from here out. I'm just going to roll down here and cut it off where I need it. So I will have to plug weld this, so I'm going to clean it up a little bit, but I'll have to resurface it once I'm done, so I'm not going to get too carried away. Alright, this is the basic shape of it upside down. I'm going to set up for welding. so the weld won't stick to the copper. We'll hope. It shouldn't. It broke right off there. I just got a little gap here. Just needs to be cleaned up. Yeah, no more hole. I'm gonna do the final polishing up on this.